as MPs-elect?
Unfortunately, I don't think they can. Once the Supreme Court have said that the basis for which they were declared, which is the second coalition, let me put it that way, or the re-collation, is the nullity, it means that everything subsequent to that is also a nullity. It doesn't mean that they cannot subsequently be declared as MPs-elect. What it means is that the Supreme Court said the mandamus application has not been quashed. So that application would again be heard by the High Court, and depending on the decision of this High Court, then the EC may or may not do another collation. And these people, based on the decision of the High Court, may either be declared as now they will not be able to hold themselves out as MPs-elect.
Well, what then does it mean for the earlier results declared, the first collation, and what then happens to these results?
Well, the results were based on the pink sheet or the evidence which the EC had. The Supreme Court cannot quash that pink sheet. It means that if they go through the process and the evidence based on which
Mr. Barnes,
it's still there.
I keep losing you. Can you please reposition yourself so that you can go ahead?
Hello, can you hear me?
It's better now, yes.
Okay, so I'm saying that the evidence based on which the Supreme Court, the Electoral Commission declared them as MPs-elect have not been quashed by the Supreme Court.
Indeed.
So if those pink sheets are still there and they are untainted, then the EC will only have to go through the process again. So the effect of this does not affect the evidence based on which one can be declared as MP or not, but the Supreme Court has only questioned the processes. That due process was not followed because persons who would have been affected by that decision of the High Court were not given an opportunity to be heard. So the Supreme Court have only said, go back. The High Court should give those persons an opportunity to be heard. If they are heard and the High Court still goes ahead to make the order for the re-collation, the evidence that is available to the Electoral Commission, which may be the same pink sheet or not, I don't know, then based on that, the Electoral Commission may go through that process again and do a re-collation. That is if the High Court grants the mandamus application. If the High Court does not grant the mandamus application, then what it means is that the collation that were done previously may be upheld. Well, and that will affect the status of those that have been elected based on the second collation.
Right.